Hey guys, today we are making a diner style omelet. We got fluffy eggs, Italian sausage, and lots of veggies. Start with taking 2 sausages and getting them out of the casing. Time to start chopping up your veggies. Make sure they're in small bite-sized pieces that will fit inside the omelet. I'm doing onions and candy cane peppers from my garden, and I'm also going to add cheese to mine. Next, we're going to heat up an 8-inch skillet and add our sausage. And the sausage we want to break up into small bite-sized pieces and cook all the way through. Add some butter to your pan and start cooking those veggies until they're soft. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and put the rack in the center of the oven. When everything is done, you're going to put the veggies and the sausage to the side because you're going to add those to the eggs in just a little bit. You're going to take your heavy cream and whip it until peaks form. Set your whipped cream aside and add eggs to another bowl. You're going to whip those until they get kind of fluffy and bubbly. Fold the whipped cream into your eggs very gently and don't mix it too much. Then shred your cheese. I chose sharp cheddar cheese, and of course, I always have to take a little piece off the top for myself. Add your 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan, pour in your eggs, then add the toppings and the cheese and put in the oven. Bake until eggs are set and the edges are beginning to brown. It's about 6 to 8 minutes. Add the rest of the cheese and then slide onto the plate. This is the hardest part. Thanks for making the omelet with me today. If you liked it, then hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes.